Welcome to Social Media in a Day. I am super grateful that you are here, and I know how many of you feel. Many of you feel overwhelmed by the platforms, overwhelmed on when to post, on how to post, on what actions to take, on how to automate, on how to scale. I get it, I've been there. Deep breath. We're gonna do this together. You're going to get insight into so many different social media tools that I use. And my intention for this is that you feel empowered, you feel inspired, you feel transformed, and you feel equipped with the tips, tools, and technology that you're going to receive. So, the first thing we're gonna experience in social media that you're gonna experience in the presentation is a tool. And the tool that I talk about is Canva. I love Canva, you guys. It is such a time saver. It is so simple. It is so hands-on. I use it for so many different things. So you're gonna experience Canva. Then you're gonna experience some behind the scenes with posts. I'm gonna give you all kinds of insight and hacks into Pinterest, into Instagram, into post creation, into templates, and more. Then you're actually gonna create them, and along with the feelings and intention of what you want for your themes, because we're gonna be talking about that as well. And then we're gonna talk about scaling and automation in step 4 and the tools that I use for that. And step 5 is basically more encouragement, more confidence, more of a push for you to create it and to get out of your own way and to simply take action. And there's a reason why this course series is called In a Day, because I want to give you this urgency of doing it in a day. I've tested it. It's easily done within 5 hours or less in a day. However, I've also given you the grace to do it in up to a week, because you don't get the next In a Day series until a week from this video. So you create the life and the business you love. Don't shortchange yourself. Don't self-sabotage yourself. Let that confidence, let that inspiration come out of you and take action. You guys, my videos, my social media, my brand, like this is version 10.0, 20.0, 30.0. I've created over 300 videos. So understand the quality and the learning and the lessons learned comes with practice, comes with implementation. Stop simply thinking, like think and do, feel, think and do. Like it's all together. It's like a dance, like a little tango dance, right? 3-step, 2-step, whatever you want to call it. So like dance with yourself and creating this life and this business you love. Comment down below. Feel free to ask questions on different social media steps, on once you listen to the webinar, and anything else.